How to activate dark mode on your computer. With dark mode, you can save your charge and more importantly, your eyes from lights. Dark mode is now available in Windows 11 and 10, and you can activate dark mode in a minute. So let's start and do it in a minute. This screen is totally light and you can consume my charge and it can affect my eyes, so I would like to change this into dark mode. So simply we click in a start menu. On the top you have settings, so once we clicked in settings, we came here to the left side. Here is personalization. Click on personalization. We have more options here, but we skip all of them and we come here to colors. In colors we have many more options and many colors, but at the top here is choose your mode. Here we have light, dark and custom. With custom we can choose our own custom color. With the dark mode here you can see we change this into a dark mode and all the window we see in our screen is dark and the fonts are in light mode or in white color, so it will look like very well. As you can see here, everything is done.